Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this video, we are going to be learning how to log in to GMC Mortgage account online. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. First of all, open a web browser and then go to the URL box and type in gmcmortgages.ie/login. Doing so will take you to the login page for GMC Mortgage directly. In the URL box, type in gmcmortgages.ie and press enter on your keyboard. Soon after you get to this official website, click on Apply Online at the top right corner. Now you will end up in this page from where you can start your GMC Mortgage account creation process by clicking on Get Started if you don't have an account yet. If you already have an account, click on Login at the bottom to access your account. Now, in order to access your GMC Mortgage account online, you will need to input your email address and password. Type in your email address correct in the Email tab and then type in your password on the next field. If you don't remember your password, click on Forgot Your Password link and follow through the on-screen instructions till the end. After filling in both of your credentials, click on Login, and that's how you can easily log in to your GMC Mortgage account online. That's how it's easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also, press on the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.